If I focus on this secondary beam, there are many secondary beams in your plan. Okay. If I focus on this secondary beam, and if I right click on this beam, I can see you have released the moments at this end.
Exactly, sir.
This end and this end. Why you have released these moments?
Sir, because sir, this is a secondary beam. These movements will take up by the primary beam, sir.
How can you say that?
So this is what I have learned and observed. I think these secondary beams, we have to release its movements.
You have learned it from YouTube.
Primary beam will take the movements of these two.
You have learned it from the YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but this is completely wrong. Now we will discuss this, why we shouldn't release these moments through a diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are considering this secondary beam as a simply supported beam on the primary beam. Because you are considering movement at this end as 0. But in reality, the reinforcement of secondary beam will go inside the primary beam. So this joint will have some amount of flexibility. Okay, this flexibility will be calculated by Etabs software through moment distribution analysis method. Okay, again, if we go for higher concepts, the secondary beam will also be part of the slab because it is specifically casted on site. So the reinforcement of slab will also be going through the secondary beam. So if we consider that this secondary beam is a simply supported beam, then this is not possible at real sites. In actual building structure, it is acting as a single unit, this slab and secondary beam. So obviously, this joint will have some amount of flexibility that will be calculated by Etabs vacuum analysis and moment distribution analysis by considering the stiffness of the connected members. Considering and releasing the moments at the end of the secondary beam is absolutely wrong. Leave it to the Etabs itself. It will give you the correct results, and there will be some amount of resistance offered by the secondary beams as well. So you will get positive results.